An ordinance reverting the amount of 18,254,000 pesos from the balance of personal services savings of supplemental budget number 10 for calendar year 2025 and from the partially computed personal services savings of permanent vacant positions for the period of December 1 to 15, 2025 and from the personal services savings of unclaimed terminal leave benefits for calendar year 2025 and unclaimed terminal leave benefits for calendar year 2025 and appropriating the same for the payment of service recognition incentive to qualified personnel of the provincial government of Ilocos Norte per administrative order number 440 dated December 11, 2021. I'm now ready for circulation.
For the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Office, if the JOs and casuals are included in this.
Only casuals.
And what about the newbies? Are we included?
Yes. Yes, Mr.
And the final question is, how long before the release?
I don't
Thank you.
is not released yet.
I know. Thank you.
Usually the newbies are prorated, if I'm not mistaken. The Honorable Lasa.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Though our resources speaker is attending the regular session, I respectfully ask you to sponsor the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations and Finance that since this is certified as urgent by the Honorable Governor, that the members of this August body, including the presiding officer,